Have you ever seen rice water videos trending on TikTok? Many celebs and influencers are creating content and using rice water as a substitute for face wash, toner, and a mist. But is it really safe for our skin to use rice water that's homemade? Hello Wishtrenders, welcome back to Wishtrend TV, Eunice here. For those of you who usually get beauty information from TikTok may already know about rice water. On the other hand, there may be some of you who are hearing about rice water for the very first time today. Recently, with the global popularity of K-beauty, skincare and hair care using rice water has been receiving a lot of attention. But is it really okay to use it just because it's good for your skin? Shouldn't we check the effects and precautions of rice water beforehand? Today, I've prepared a video for those of you who are curious about rice water. If you're curious about trending skincare method that's going viral on TikTok, please stay tuned in. Rice water is the cloudy water that comes out when we wash rice. In Korea, we've been using rice water for cleansing for a long period of time. I'm sure that even some Korean parents and grandparents wash their face with rice water at least once as a child. In other words, using rice water as a skincare product can be seen as a traditional method. First, rice water has brightening effect. The rice husk, also known as rice bran, contains a component called gamma-oryzanol, which inhibits the production of melanin in the skin and helps to regulate skin tone. Also, rice is rich in vitamin B, which we all know is effective for improving skin tone, right? The abundant dietary fiber in rice gently removes dead skin cells and impurities. If you've tried washing your face with rice before and felt as if your skin texture improved after washing your face with rice water, that's why. Rice is also effective in well-aging as it contains a lot of antioxidants that's needed for skin function. It has vitamin C, vitamin A and E, and flavonoids. Now, we know why so many people are making rice water and using it. But is it really a good idea to make and use rice water at home? If you're planning on making rice water at home, you should use rice that has been washed at least twice. It's best to wash the rice at least 2 times or more if you're using it on your skin, because there may be pesticides or impurities in the rice. And when you cleanse your face with homemade rice water, make sure to rinse with clean water afterwards so that no particles remain on your skin. If particles from rice water remains on the skin, they can cause inflammation. Last, homemade rice water can easily go bad, so make sure to keep it at a cool temperature with an airtight container in the fridge. Also, we do recommend using homemade rice water within 2 to 3 days after it's been made. If the precautions of homemade rice bothers you, we recommend using cosmetics that contains rice ingredient. It's a very convenient and safe method compared to DIY rice water. Then, how should we choose rice water skincare products? Just as there are various types of rice, products with rice ingredient also has various functions depending on the rice and ingredients used. I'll be able to give you tips from now on so our Wishtrenders can choose the right skincare products that contains rice ingredients suitable for our skin. If you want to see the real effects of rice water, it's good to choose skincare products with high rice content. When you look at the full ingredients of the skincare products, the ingredients are listed in order of the content. You can choose products with large amounts of rice extracts. Products like this with rice extracts listed at the front usually have high rice content. This product has 77.8% of rice extracts, making it the highest ingredient content. When choosing skincare products, make sure to check out the main and sub-ingredients. By looking at the ingredients, you can see what effects you can expect when you use this product and whether it's suitable for your skin. The rice water skincare products I've prepared for you today come in 3 different types. First, this product has betaine and black rice extract as the main ingredient and hyaluronic acid as a sub-ingredient. It's a product with good moisturizing effects in addition to the effects of rice water. The main ingredient, black rice, has more than 4 times the amount of vitamin E than regular white rice, and vitamin E helps to smooth the skin. Betaine contains amino acids which help the skin's oil and water balance. The sub-ingredient hyaluronic acid provides moisture to the skin and helps with moisturizing effect. The main ingredient of this product is rice extract, and the sub-ingredient is ceramides. In addition to the effect of rice water, you can expect skin-soothing effects. Our skin's outermost layer, the stratum corneum, is composed of lipids, and ceramides account for about half of these lipid components. The strong skin barrier formed by ceramides prevent moisture from evaporating. Also, it protects the skin from external harmful stimuli such as dryness, UV rays, and bacteria. This can prevent skin concerns such as rashes or inflammation, and that's why you can experience skin-soothing effects. The main ingredient of this product is rice extract, and the sub-ingredient is niacinamide. You can expect the effects of rice water, brightening, and glowing skin. Since the rice extract content is 77.8%, which is high in concentration, the effects of rice water is enhanced. Variety of rice is used in this product. Koami was developed for diet purposes and contains over 3 times more dietary fiber than regular rice. Because it contains a lot of dietary fiber, when applied to the skin, it improves skin texture. If melanin pigments accumulate excessively on the skin surface, skin discoloration such as freckles and blemishes occur. Niacinamide blocks the path that melanin moves to the skin surface, preventing skin color changes. Therefore, by using a product containing niacinamide, you can see brightening and glowing effects. The texture of skincare product is also an important factor to consider when choosing skincare products because the right texture can depend on your skin type. This product is an essence type, so we recommend it for those of you who have dry skin and need moisture supply. When applied, you can feel that it absorbs well into the skin, so it's recommended for those who like toners with heavier textures. For those with oily or sensitive skin, this product is recommended. This product is a clear essence type with a bit of viscosity. It's not too heavy nor too light. It absorbs very quickly into your skin with a powdery finish. It's recommended for oily and sensitive skin types. Make sure to shake this product well before use since it has layers. The milky texture is light and smooth, which is quickly absorbed. However, it doesn't feel light when it's applied to the skin, but definitely you can feel the rich, nourishing effects. So this one is recommended for dry or combination skin types. Also, because this product contains niacinamide, which has brightening effects, it would be very nice to use it as a sheet mask by soaking it into a cotton pad when you have concerns of dull complexion. This is a great way to get both moisturizing and brightening care. Today, we learned about rice water, which has become a viral skincare content on TikTok. Many people are already interested in what skin improvements rice ingredients can bring, and many are already experiencing the amazing effects. If you want glowy and healthy skin, try the skincare products recommended to you today. Alright guys, we will see you with healthier skin next time. See you in the next one. Bye Wishtrenders!